Hello everyone, welcome to this new video where we're diving into the robust and desirable Ulefone Armor Pad 2 4G tablet. This tech marvel boasts an 11-inch 2K screen, a massive 18,600 mAh battery, and an impressive 48MP camera. Let's start by looking at what's in the box. Inside, you'll find the tablet itself, a 33W charger, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. We also have the combo pack, which includes a construction strap, a protective case, a grip, and a handle, perfect for those who work in the field. This tablet is a true behemoth in terms of size and weight, measuring 277.8 mm x 178 mm x 14 mm and weighing 1018 grams. It's equipped with an 11-inch all-screen LCD multi-touch display with IPS technology, offering a resolution of 1200 x 2002K. The brightness peaks at 500 nits and it has a pixel density of 213 ppi, all protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. In terms of cameras, the Armor Pad 2 does not disappoint. It features a 16MP selfie camera with an IMX351 sensor, boasting a wide f2.2 aperture. At the back, the 48MP main camera with an OV48 IBQ sensor promises photos with resolutions up to 6,000 to 8,000 pixels and 2K video capabilities. The tablet has dual SIM and micro SD slots on the left side, along with a speaker. It supports 4G, 3G, 2G networks and VoLTE HD calling. On the right side, you'll find a USB-C port, a headphone jack, and another speaker. It offers a stereo audio experience with its dual-speaker sound system. At the top, the tablet is equipped with a customizable button and a power on-off button with Touch ID. At the bottom, there are volume buttons and a quick connector for accessories like the U-Smart E01 and E02 endoscopes and the U-Smart C01 supermicroscope. But that's not all. The Armor Pad 2 also boasts a huge 750 max lumens LED module, consisting of 383 LEDs with a maximum power of 5.5 Watt and IPX8 waterproof certification. Performance-wise, it's powered by a G99 processor, scoring 34753, and offers 8 GB plus 256 GB of memory expandable, up to 2 TB via microSD. It runs on Android 13 and can handle games like Real Racing 3 without any issues. For connectivity, the tablet comes with Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, and a radio that works without needing a jack. It also supports various positioning systems like GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo. One of its biggest selling points is its ruggedness. It's certified IP68 and IP69, meaning it's resistant to water and dust and can be submerged up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. It also comes with MILS TD810NH certification. For those who haven't seen my video about their factory, I highly recommend checking it out in the description of this video. In conclusion, the Ulefone Armor Pad 2 is an incredibly robust and versatile tablet, ideal for those who need a reliable device in all conditions. And the best part? It's priced at only $311.75 during the 11.11 promotion. You can find it on the Ulefone product page and on AliExpress, with links available in the video description. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed this video and want to see more.